Welcome to this gorgeous home offering a park-like retreat in the heart of Southwest Portland. This inviting home, situated on 1.4 acres, backs to the beautiful Marshall Park and includes a creek, multiple gardens, and fruit trees on an inspiring sunny lot. Heading inside, you'll discover a meticulously maintained home with exceptional detailed craftsmanship throughout. Enjoy a variety of formal and informal spaces, perfect for entertaining. Rich cabinetry and warm granite counters make for a sumptuous kitchen, adjoining the great room. There's plenty of space for everyone with 5 bedrooms and more than 4,300 square feet. On the upper level, you'll discover more inviting spaces and one of 2 master suites, complete with a fireplace, peaceful views, and an elegant master bath with a walk-in closet. On the lower level, you'll find an expansive, versatile living space, perfect for any number of uses. A second master suite functions well for friends and family, where casual daily living meets quality craftsmanship. Head out to the spacious multi-level cedar deck, where it's easy to connect to nature, to relax and recharge in this serene setting. Savor a quiet evening around the fire pit, or reflect by the trees and the edge of the creek on a property that welcomes friendly wildlife. This unique property blends the tranquility of country living with the sophistication and accessibility of Portland. And it's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Danni Duggan with Premier Property Group at 503-719-2279.